In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Wix 2026 Guide. Let's get right into it. First, open Wix in your browser and sign in to your account. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. That icon opens a small drop-down menu that gives you quick access to your personal controls. Click it, and from that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the place where Wix keeps your core profile, login, and security details. Once you're on the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the section that shows your login information. You'll see your current login email listed there. To make a change, click the Edit button next to that email. This edit option is specifically for your login email, which is the address you use to sign in and where important account notices are sent. It's different from things like your site contact forms or marketing sender address, so changing this won't alter those. For security, Wix will ask you to confirm your identity. Enter your Wix account password when prompted. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized changes, so make sure you have your password handy before you begin. Next, type in the new email address you want to use for your account. Take a second to check spelling and domain, especially if you're switching to a business email. Then, re-enter the same email to confirm it matches. Consistency here prevents typos from locking you out later. After both fields are filled correctly, click Next. That submits your change for processing. In many cases, Wix may send a confirmation or verification message. You might see a prompt to check your inbox, and sometimes messages go to both the old and the new address. Keep an eye on your spam or promotions folders, just in case. If you use two-step verification, you may also be asked to approve the change with your usual method. Once the update is complete, your new email becomes your login. If you're currently signed in on multiple devices, you may be asked to sign in again using the new address. That's normal. Remember, only the account owner can change the login email. If you don't see the edit option, you may need the owner to make this change for you. That's it. You've navigated to Account Settings, opened the login email editor, confirmed your password, entered and confirmed your new email, and clicked Next to finalize the change. Take a moment to verify any confirmation emails you receive, and you're all set.